Yes, today is the official start of our SAP event here at SAP office at BGC. Level up your business through our DirecTED by joining our accounting professionals and industry leaders by uncovering some features, benefits, and even some hidden gems at this event. Tara!
Where do we go when everything's just difficult?
There are so many emerging technologies right now. This includes cloud computing and artificial intelligence. And these technology trends basically shape the future of business and work.
Join us as Mr. Job Martinez, our expert consultant, tackles administration highlights and commonly encountered errors in SAP. Open to attendees from all industries, including our valued partners. Let's dig deeper into day 1.
We request lang rin po, discussion meeting po. Baka po kasi meron lang tayong wrong allocation ng mga licenses natin. Baka pwedeng ma-optimize natin na, okay, itong user na to, naka-professional pero yung transactions niya, pang mga financials lang, baka pwedeng lipat natin yung professional niya sa iba.
IT professionals and industry leaders will join Mr. Randy Ferrer on disaster recovery plans, on-premise versus cloud option. Buckle up, it's day 2.
Ano po ba yung backup? Si IBM, dinefine niya yung backup as the process of making an extra copy or multiple copies of data. So, how frequent daw ba tayo nagba-backup?
We make it easy. DIREC.
Bigger, brighter, bolder!
Again, I am Vicky. Stay tuned for more epic updates and behind-the-scene actions here at Direct Tales. Remember, with SAP, your future is brighter and you'll be one of the best.
At Direct, we make it easy. DIREC. We make it easy. We make it easy. DIREC. Technovation. Choose Direct and you will see.